I just got this 26-inch wig. This is a synthetic wig. Take a look. First and foremost, I do want to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could give you my full and honest review. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the package. And then we're going to be trying it on today. Let's see how it looks, how it feels. Comes in a package just like this. I wanted to give you a full unboxing just so you could see what to expect when you get your wig. So in here you do receive a wig cap, so you could go ahead and use this right before you put your wig. So you want to go ahead and put the wig cap on before you put your wig on. I didn't know that this was going to be included, but you do get a pair of little eyelashes. Take a look, very nice, simple lashes. And here is the wig. As you can see, it comes in a little net just to prevent it from getting tangled along the way. Let me go ahead and remove the net. Ooh, so nice. Look at that. It's like a silver platinum blonde wig. Has some nice loose waves at the bottom. It does look like it's layered. Very, very pretty. Look at that. It does have a little cushion right here holding the lace front together. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that. So you could see it is a lace front wig. So it's going to give you that appearance as if it was real hair. Very nice thin lace front. It does have a clips, so you could go ahead and make sure that it is nice and secure along with this right here. So you could go ahead and adjust that. It's another way to ensure that this is going to stay nice and secure on your head. So let's go ahead and try this wig out. So I'm going to go ahead and use the wig cap first, and then we're going to go ahead and try this wig out. Check it out. I went ahead and put the wig on. As you could see, very, very nice platinum blonde wig. It almost looks like it's silver. Absolutely love the different layers on it. It is nice and wavy. Super duper soft. Check out this wig, super cute. Again, it is 26 inches. It looks amazing. I absolutely loved it. It is so nice, so smooth, very, very full of hair. Even though it is a synthetic wig, it is still very nice and flowy, very smooth. As you can see, I'm running my fingers through the wig. Super nice. Check it out. If you're looking for a 26-inch wig for a party or to wear out, I would recommend